Hey there everyone, it's your coach Nadia here, and today I'm bringing you a solid chest and back workout that you can do in just under 5 minutes. Let's get started with what you love, those push-ups. Start in that push-up position, hands wide, and let's go. You're gonna lower and lift, lower and lift. I'm starting on tempo right now, but I guarantee you by the end, it probably won't be. You can also lower your knees if you need to on this move. Make sure your elbows hug in slightly towards your torso as you lower and lift. Good. Shoulders tucked down away from your ears. Keep your head lifted. Another 15 seconds. Whoo! I don't know about you, but I'm feeling this burn. Another 7 seconds left to go. Then we come down onto the belly. Almost there. Last 3, 2, 1. Come on down, reach your arms out in front of you. Wonder Woman, we lift it up. Good, now lower it down, nice and slowly. Lift it up and lower it down. You got it. If having your arms out in front of you is too much, arms to your sides, elbows bent. You got it. Both your feet and your hands lift. Not just your feet, but see if you can get your thighs up off the floor. Trying to talk with my belly down like this is making me spit in my own face. Anybody else? Good, 10 seconds left. Come on. We're going back to those push-ups. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press yourself up, either high or low. You got it. Lower and lift. Oh my God, my arms. My knees are down. You got this. Well, we've only got one more round left to go, so see if you can stick with it. For those who are feeling like a little extra, see if you can bump your chest on the floor. Whew, slowing down here. Good. See if you can stick with it though. Even if you have to slow down, your arms are burning like mine are. Stay with your breath. Another 10 seconds. I'm shaking. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down to your belly. Reach it out. Here we go. Lift and lower. Come on. Lift and lower. What if you want more? Then you're gonna hold at the top and give me a gentle pulse. Either arms out in front of you or hands by your side. Make sure your shoulders tucked. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Only another 20 seconds left. You got this. Come on. Wait, did I forget we have one more round left to go? Oh my goodness. Whew. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press back up to that push-up position and go as fast as your body can go. I'm gonna slow it down. Here we go. Going down slow. Press it up slow. Good. Go down slow. Press it up slow. Oh no. If your arms are starting to fail you, then lower all the way to your belly. You can pump yourself up. It's okay to peel your hips up off the floor if you're starting to feel that failure. And when I say failure, it doesn't mean you haven't done a great job. It just means that those arms are starting to poop out. Almost there, last 6 seconds. Come on. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Wonder Woman. Come on, reach those arms out. I'm gonna stay at the top and pulse because clearly my back muscles are feeling more ready for this than my front. Come on. You got it. We're already 15 seconds in. That means we've got 30 seconds left to go. If you need to, hands come in. Tuck your chin so the top of your head aims forward and see if you can get your thighs off the floor. We're almost there. Stick with it. Whoo, y'all, I'm feeling it. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Good, press those hips back. Give yourself a little child's pose, hips to heels. Tuck one shoulder down and the other. Nice job, everyone. Make sure to take a little bit of time to stretch it out. If you loved this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you receive notifications when I post a new video. Don't forget to hit that bell, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.